Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming that your phone, tablet, or laptop actually supports USB-C video output. This uses DisplayPort or HDMI alternate mode. Once confirmed, plug the HDMI end into the display, then the USB-C end into your device. This order reduces hot plug issues. Make sure the cable is fully seated. You'll feel a subtle click or resistance. If your device asks for permission to output video, accept it. This allows the GPU to route video signals through the USB-C port, so the monitor can receive them. Once done connecting, switch the display to the correct HDMI input. Most displays label inputs like HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, so choose the one you used. On your device, open Display Settings and decide. Mirror the screen for exact copy or extend for more workspace. Make sure resolution and refresh rate match the monitor. Mismatched settings can cause blank screens or scaling issues. If colors or clarity look off, toggle output modes or try a lower resolution, then increase until stable. You finish by securing the cable so movement won't break the connection. Tight fits and strain can cause intermittent dropouts. Then verify audio. Some devices route sound over HDMI, so select HDMI audio in sound settings if you want sound through the display. If the screen stays blank, make sure the display supports the output mode, try a different HDMI port, restart both devices, or swap in another certified cable. Often the cable or port is the simplest cause of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.